Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you are going to learn the new static method Predicate.not that has been introduced in Java 11 in order to negate an existing predicate. Let's start and follow my steps. Make sure to have installed in your machine Java 11 or above. In my case, I have installed OpenJDK 17. Type JShell inside the terminal. Good. Now let's create a new list of string names, putting Tom, Ron, an empty name, and Bob. What we are going to do is to filter all the names that are not empty. Before Java 11, we could do in this way. Take the names, open a stream using the filter method where inside put the predicate negate name is blank, and then produce a new list. Tom, Ron, and Bob. With Java 11, we can use the new Predicate.not static method. Again, let's take the names, open a stream, always use the filter method, but inside write Predicate.not, and then use the lambda expression string is blank. With the Predicate.not, we have negated an existing predicate. Much better like this. Of course, we can see the same result list with Tom, Ron, and Bob. For watching this video, subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next one. Bye!